Aria Hotel for a pool party at the Liquid. We tried to come here the first time and we got kicked out. Well, not kicked out, turned away because we had our Fat Tuesday bottles. But we're back, and this time we came prepared with everything we needed. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes tonight.
Yeah, we outside. Part 5.
Part 5. So once again,
it's a fucking club of fucking Miami Fountain Blue or some shit.
Bruh, once again, we cannot get into the party because my
GoPro.
selfie stick.
And because I would be.
Well, yeah, that part, that's a given.
Yo,
this is
but
considered
I
a
thought weed was
weapon.
legal. What the fuck?
Bruh, it's in public areas.
Listen.
It's not legal in public areas. Anyways, my selfie stick is considered a weapon and I'm so confused. Like, who is this hurting? Now we're about to go get some food because that was a complete waste. We bought bathing suits and everything for nothing.
We had these butt ass naked, y'all. We had these butt ass naked outside just for them to turn us down.
We tried because that was supposed to be like the highlight of the night. Yo, that was supposed to be the highlight of the trip. We ending now, going to the pool party, but like it's always something. And this time we thought we did everything right. First it was no jeans. She has to be fully in her bathing suit.
But how you gonna tell Praise not to bring her camera, but you bring your dumb ass camera?
Because this is easy to hide. I didn't think she was gonna want us. I didn't.
She's the dick rider, bro. You didn't see how they was dick riding when
Yeah, whispering like. And the two couple that we saw in line, we just saw them over here, so they had probably got turned away too and had to come back. I mean, I don't know. Try y'all luck. Just watch these videos and understand the shit you cannot bring to the pool party so that you're not wasting your time like we did. No selfie sticks, no nothing, no cameras. Come naked in your bathing suit because you cannot have clothes on. Don't bring nothing in your bag, just your ID and your keys, for like your hotel key, because regular keys are not acceptable, just hotel keys. Money and shit like that, because I don't, yeah, but I'm really confused as to, this is so soft because it floats in the water.
But you know how we get when we get ratchet,
bro.
Ready to fight.
This is still not hurting anyone. How can this be considered a weapon? A weapon. This is literally a floating device for my camera when we're in the water, and they have this highlighter thing so that I don't lose it in deep waters. It literally floats. And he's like, this is like a floating device, saving life. Hell yeah. Saving lives, but whatever. We're going through the era, so you wouldn't have to.
9:33.
So we're at the Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips. I got a sweet tea and the lobster and shrimps with chips. What sauce you got?
I got the Southwest Ranch and curry and mango.
Okay, I got curry and mango too. But I wanted to try the signature stuff, so I got the sweet tea because it's like the specialty tea. And then I got the Gordon's tartar. And the sweet tea is pretty good. If you went to McDonald's, it tastes like the McDonald's sweet tea.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
2 hours later.
Okay, so it's checkout day. Vegas was fun.
Bitches.
Time to go.
Back to Brooklyn, baby.
Back to where we came from.
It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday.
If you don't pick up after yourself, after you stay in a hotel room, you're dead ass disgusting. Trying to record and hold stuff is a lot. That's tough. Taking the view in one last time. For real. Screenshot it from the bed. We're about to go see the neon light show real quick. Just because we walked past it, but we were in a rush. Yeah, I know. I think there's the restaurant is in there too. We're just because we passed it and we were in a rush, so we're gonna go see it now real quick. Grab some breakfast, hit up one last dispensary, and make our way to the airport. Ladies and gentlemen, this was Vegas.
Yeah, man.
Views is probably still pretty. So we made it to the Bellagio. They have this little neon light thing that goes on over here. It's nicer at night, clearly, because they'll have the lights on and all that. It kind of looks like Area 15, but since it's the daytime,
it's over and nothing else matters. I know you feel so divided. Pick yourself up again and you better start walk, girl. Open up, just let me hear you talk, girl. You
Let's go home, take a shower, eat good, get hot, go to sleep for like 3 days.
we just came from having breakfast at the Strat.
Yeah, that shit was good, y'all.
About to ride the monorail and take the train back to our hotel, Bally's.
Went to the dispensary, shit is cool.
Went to multiple dispensaries. About to get some tickets to get on the train. No.
welcome to far to give it up now. Even though it seems there's no way out. Take a look in the mirror now, what do you see? You can be anything you want to be, you know. You will never be alone. Girl, go make your move. There's nothing left to prove. I know that you will find your love again. Don't be ashamed to cry.
This time we got like a bunch of stops. We're here. We gotta go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stops away. It should be cool footage because we only went 1 stop last time and it was dark. So let's see what this entails.
Hold your head up high. I know that love will save the day. Love will save the day. Love will save the day. When you feel like you're stranded at the edge of the world.
of ugly on the outside, but I feel like it's the most convenient due to like the strip walk, the access to the strip. I think that's the best thing. You literally have an escalator that leads you straight into your hotel, that goes out to the bridge, that connects to the rest of the hotels. So outside is kind of ugly, but the convenience is amazing. The rooms are decent, right? It wasn't ugly. This is our pool. Oh, it's so lit because I recorded it from when we were below, and now I'm recording when we're on top. And that was our monorail experience. Yeah. 30 minutes left in Vegas. Are you? I know, right? But we gotta go home. She always late. This is what our pool looked like from above. I wish we would have gotten a hot tub because the water was freezing. Oh, there the tennis court is. Bali also has a tennis court where you have to bring your own tennis equipment. I don't think they give you racks and balls or whatever. So you have to definitely come with your own stuff. You see that big net back there all the way in the back? That's where Top Golf is. Now the exit. We're heading back to our hotel rooms now to get our bag. And there goes Vegas. So it never fails with Spirit. Our flight is delayed for the second time. They open the doors. Hopefully that means we're getting on the plane this time. She called it too. She was like, watch when we get there. Y'all rushing for nothing because it's gonna be delayed when we get there. And look, not delayed, not once, but definitely twice. Big dread. Telling y'all, don't fly that shit. Don't fly with Spirit. Don't fly with Spirit.